your boy Big Mike.
And it's your girl Ravin.
And we are Mr. and Mrs. Alpha.
Woo! Alright, y'all. So today we finally get to the gun range. We ain't been in a little minute, so we kind of excited, as you can see back here.
Gun range date.
This is definitely something we love to do, so we finna get to it. Alright?
Alright, man. So, like she said, we're doing our range date today. We're just going to do our handguns today. We're going to do her M&P, her 380, her revolver, her new revolver, my new revolver, my 9. So we got our safety equipment, got our earmuffs, got my safety glasses. She wears glasses, so she doesn't need safety glasses. We already have some ammunition, some 380 92 grain range ammo. And we have already 2 boxes of 9mm 124 grain range ammo. And we get to test out these, we got these from the Glock store. Order them online. These, I think it's a +3 extension, or +4 extension. So we get to try these out. This is for her 380. And I got one from my 9mm. Like I said, we got them at the Glock store. So this is like a function test. See if they function right. See if we can use this, you know, for our everyday carry for self-defense. Lego.
Yeah, definitely empathy. As y'all see.
5 yards.
Everything back. 5?
Yeah. In your gut. Loading up that 38 special. That first time shooting. About to shoot at 357.
Okay.
Supposed to have a lot of kick. S1. My first time shooting it.
Yeah. All right, we running it back. Yeah, them revolvers got a lot of kick.
A 5 headshot.
Let's get it. Ooh. Seen that one. Let's go. First two went straight to the head though. Yeah, y'all.
Two that, and one there.
Yeah.
Leveling up that 380. There you go. 5 yard. Go ahead. All over the place. That's pretty good though.
Oh.
That's why we come to the range.
Yeah.
Loading up that MMP, trying to see. Alright, we're gonna see if she can hit one of those 3 gold ones at the top. Then you can do it. It's at the top.
I'ma try.
two. She got two. Good job.
All right, here about to do the 380 on my Glock 42.
Try to hit one of the gold ones on the left.
Okay. Into it. That's crazy. I know that's right.
Alright, she about to try the 38 spin. 40.
I'm more than sure shot was over there. One more round at 357.
She about to Glock 43.
All right, y'all, so we made it back from the range, and I had a lot of fun, but shooting this revolver was a challenge because it was a lot of kickbacks. So if y'all see the handle, well, it's empty, but shooting it was a lot of kickbacks. So I decided to copy Michael and get a grip.
Them hands too brittle.
Yeah. So I decided to copy Michael and get a hand grip for mine as well. So it's the whole revolver grip, and as y'all see, Smith & Wesson. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and put the new one on. I'm excited. Y'all already know pink is my favorite color. So to take it off, it's simple, obviously. So I have this Allen key,
Allen key, monkey wrench, whatever y'all call it.
Whatever y'all want to call it, but y'all know what it is.
All right.
And I'm just gonna twist it. I need to put a little umph in it. This way. Okay.
But yeah, man, I shooting mine. I'm glad I put my whole grip on, cause I almost fractured my hand in shooting that 3-pound seven.
Man.
At 357.
I shot that one too with the
with the 38
with the
38 special
ones. And it was less kickback than shooting this one, but
let me see how it look without the hand grip on it.
Yeah, see that? It look funny, don't it?
Right.
So I took it off. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one.
Just had one little screw in it.
Yeah.
You know, easy accessory.
And then this one, y'all see, it looks like I just gotta slide it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
The bottom don't come off on that. I know mine. My bottom came off. No.
No.
Alright, it's easy then.
So yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try to put it on. Let's see.
That thing slide right on in, huh?
Yeah, it actually did. Might gotta put a little umph into it.
Yeah, you gotta.
All right, y'all. So I got the grip on there finally.
That been a little fire though with that pink,
love it.
Little pink and black.
It feels better. Look, I can put all 3 fingers on there, and I'm gonna show y'all, of course. So here, and then.
That look nice though.
All 3.
Full hand on there.
Yeah.
Still can fit it in your purse pocket. It look probably, I don't know if it look big on camera, but in person it's a nice size, but it ain't like
it's
overly.
Not too much. Yeah.
Show me the other one, the small one.
So
you see how small it is?
Just a comparison.
Yeah. So you got the extra cushion for the pushing. You see how small that one is compared to, and then it's pink, so.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that makes it that much better. That makes it that much better. But definitely, this is this is the big difference right here.
She shot mine, so
yeah. I had a feel for it, but again, it makes it better because it's pink.
More control.
Yeah, definitely more control. But y'all, definitely the upgrade. It's nice to add extra things to your firearms. That way, it can be more comfortable for you. Because some people are okay with this. For me. And my hands aren't small, but they're not big. So I want it to be comfortable as I'm shooting so I can make sure I got that full control. Okay? Yeah. But gun range was good today. Gun range was good. I enjoyed it. I plan to go back real soon because I gotta shoot this a little more. It was definitely fun.
All right. Next time we gotta shoot ARs and AKs.
Yeah. The AR my favorite. I'm ready to shoot that one again for sure. But
yeah,
it was fun, y'all.
Yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We got a lot coming.
Yep.
Like I said, a lot more accessories, you know, upgrades, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm Big Mike, man.
And I'm Ravin.
And we are Mr. and Mrs. Alpha. Peace out.